This project is a dual gas detection and safety monitoring system using MQ2 and MQ9 gas sensor with Arduino. In this setup, the MQ2 sensor is used to detect smoke and combustible gases such as LPG, while the MQ2 sensor is used to detect toxic carbon monoxide gas. Both sensors are connected to an Arduino microcontroller, which continuously monitors the sensor values. A 16 by 2 LCD is used to display a real-time gas concentration values, and a buzzer is included to provide an audible alert whenever unsafe gas levels are detected. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project. Arduino Uno, MQ2 sensor, MQ9 sensor, buzzer module, 16 cross 2 LCD, jumper wires, and breadboard. The MQ2 sensor is used to detect combustible gases and smoke. It is highly sensitive to gas such as LPG, propane, methane, hydrogen, and smoke, making it suitable for fire and gas leakage detection. The sensor provides an analog output proportional to the gas concentration and is commonly used in domestic safety systems. MQ2 respond quickly to smoke and flammable gases, which make it effective for early fire detection. The MQ9 sensor is mainly used to detect carbon monoxide, which is a toxic gas produced by incomplete combustion. It can also detect LPG and methane, but its strongest and fastest response to carbon monoxide. The sensor output an analog signal that increases with gas concentration and is widely used in safety applications such as vehicle exhaust monitoring and industrial gas detection. Connect the VCC pin of the MQ2 sensor with 5V on the Arduino. Connect the A0 pin with A0 pin of the Arduino and ground pin to ground of the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module with 5V, ground pin with ground, and signal pin with digital pin 8 of the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC pin of the MQ9 sensor with 5V, ground pin with ground pin, and A0 pin with A1 pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC of the 16 cross 2 LCD with 5V, ground pin with ground. Connect the SDA pin of the 16 cross 2 LCD with A4 pin and SCL pin with A5 pin of the Arduino Uno. Upload the code to Arduino Uno. The practical demonstration of dual gas detection system began with powering up the Arduino, which immediately display the message Gas Monitoring System Start on the 16 cross 2 LCD. After the initial start, the system continuously show a real-time sensor values for both the MQ2 and MQ9 sensor. First, a gas lighter is brought near the MQ2 sensor, causing its value on the LCD to rise and activating the buzzer, indicating the detection of combustible gas. When the gas concentration reduces and the sensor value falls below the predefined threshold level, the buzzer is automatically turned off, indicating that the environment has returned to safe condition. After that, for testing the MQ9 sensor, a matchstick was ignited and then blown out. The smoke produced from the matchstick was brought close to the MQ9 sensor, which caused the sensor value to increase on the display. When the value crossed the threshold level, the buzzer was activated again and turned on. This concludes the demonstration of dual gas detection system using MQ2 and MQ9 sensor. The system successfully detects both combustible gases and smoke, providing real-time alert through the LCD display and buzzer. By using two sensors, it ensures high accuracy and reduces false alarms. making it a reliable solution for home and industrial safety. That's it for today's tutorial. If you like this project, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more Arduino based electronic projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.